Yo, what's happening? What to do, my people? So today I'm gonna hit you upside the head with one of these style videos. So this right here is showing a few looks of the shoe, showing how you should wear the shoe, how you should never wear the shoe. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite looks in the shoe, some different styles you can incorporate, and show you how I put something together. So I won't just be talking about everybody else. But the shoe I'm talking about today, this one right here, Jordan 12 University Gold. These right here were, at first they were kind of slept on, it seems like it. People were on the fence about it, like, I don't know about that, I don't know about that. The ashy leather and stuff. Whenever these dropped, people lost their goddamn minds. Everybody and their mommy and their little brother, their sister, their child, their baby mama, the other sons, everybody got these. Everybody got these, or everybody was crying about them, or the plug got them and charged $400 for them. This shoe right here was crazy. This was so sought after, I would have never guessed. To me, this seemed like it was more sought after than the Flints, than the alternate grapes. People lost their goddamn mind for this shoe, only to put together a trash ass outfit, some City Trends ass outfits with this right here. Don't make that mistake. So this right here, I want to talk about a few looks, man. Let me get into it. A lot of people was looking like this right here. This how a lot of people looking. Y'all looking like twins. I put that together. I put that together. You look the goddamn same. You look like a goddamn fool. In real time, it is looking like that. You pull these up on Instagram, you try to look them up, that is what you're going to see. That's what you're going to see. You're going to see this nigga right here with a goddamn gun in a Pirates uniform. That is how everybody want to style them. And it's not bad. It's perfect. It is too perfect. It is, dog, the layup is wide open. But don't take the layup, man. You can fillet or something, dunk it. Do something different. Don't do what everybody else doing. Another one. Let me see. Damn. Look at them. The Pirates in the Steelers. Black and gold, black and gold. Yes, it matches. Yes, it matches. But that don't mean your ass gotta rock it. This shoe right here is dangerous. It is dangerous. It is dangerous right here, man. This can be your spinach, or this can be your kryptonite. Depends on how you rock it, man. This right here. This right here, man. This gotta be a joke. I know this gotta be a joke, man. Just somebody want to meme themselves. This brother looking like Super Mario and stuff. Tell me it ain't true. Tell me it's not true. This brother looking like Luigi on the set. No. Let's get to something serious. Let's try to get some more. No, not serious. This is how a lot of brothers came through. I got them things. Just for them to look like that. Just for them to look like that. Got the camo shorts on with a damn, look like a 2002 G-Unit shirt. Bring that shit back to City Trends, man. Take the shoes off. Take the shoes off. Sell them. Put them on StockX or something, man. You don't deserve them. You don't deserve them. Okay. Now, the first serious look of the day. Now, this right here. Oh, man, but she doing like everybody else. She is, in a way. But she's a female. I like the jeans and stuff. I like the way she incorporated this. She got the jeans with the slices and everything on them. She got the Pirates jersey on. But she don't have the stereotypical one. She came through with a different one. I actually like that. I like that look with that jersey. She got like the white jersey with a little bit of the yellow and stuff. It's not the one that everybody gonna be rocking. It looks a little different. Yeah, she's kind of playing into the same strategy of how everybody else did it. but she still did it different. She still put her own little twist on it. It's not bad. Because the other one is just, it's just too much. It's just too much. But moving on to this look right here. This brother, it's not that bad. It's not terrible, but it's terrible for him. If this is like a 16, 17-year-old brother, a little youngster with that on, I'd be like, NBA Youngboy or somebody like that. Well, that's alright. That's alright. This nigga right here, he got salt and pepper everywhere. He too goddamn old for that fit right there. You too goddamn old. This not for you. This not for you, player. That's a little young boy outfit. That's a little young boy outfit. You too grown. You too grown to be having all that goddamn yellow on. It's not good. It's too much. It's too much, brother. Too much. Moving on to the next one, man. Now another sister pulling out on the outfit. She got the black shorts. She got a yellow shirt. I like that. It's simple. It's kind of stereotypical or whatever, but it's not exactly the same. She put her own little twist on it. I like the blonde hair that's going with it. She came through with the low socks. I like that. I think she is looking dope. The sisters, they make things look better. And coming through, this is me with my interpretation with what I did with it. Now, I did a lot of what everybody else did. Black and gold. But I came through with the yellow sweatpants. Everybody not going to have the yellow sweatpants. Got a black shirt. I don't have no shirt that got black and yellow and stuff. Not that I could think of. But this right here, just a little something light. But I like the way the pants look with the shoe. It stands out. It's something different that everybody not going to see the yellow pants. And I could have did too much, came with the yellow shirt and stuff, but I didn't do that. It's coordinate. It might not be that good, but it ain't that bad. Now, getting into my last looks right here. This is my second to last look, and this right here is gonna be similar to the last look, but I want to show you some slight differences why I think this isn't good and the last look is stupendous. They're very similar. But this brother, it is an understated kind of look, but it looks dingy. It looks cheap. It looks like straight up from City Trends. The plaid pants on top of these shoes does not look good. This shirt look faded and stuff. It don't look good. It's probably matching up to a certain extent, but I don't like the way it is put together. The plaid pants right on top of these shoes don't look good. But let me show you how you can do the plaid properly. Now I'm moving on to the last one. And this one right here, this is a fellow YouTuber. This is Jada Sneaker Guy. And if you see his videos on YouTube, brother, he always throw together a lot of fits. He changes the laces up on every shoe and stuff. He has an entertaining channel. I like his stuff. But I seen his picture on the gram, and I took it. I was like, this right here, this is how you do it. This is dope. He came through. Now, he got the plaid on as well, but he got the plaid shirt. And he got the plaid shirt, he got that shirt underneath with the kiss. So we got the gold and the red, that right there. Just the breaking it up in the gold and the red in the undershirt makes the plaid match. Like just the plaid by itself probably doesn't look good, but with that undershirt and stuff, it kind of breaks it together. Like, oh, that red and that gold, they go together because they on the undershirt. But then with the black pants and stuff, I don't know, everything, the way he put this together, I think this is dope. And I will be stealing this look. This is something that you probably going to catch me with on the gram or something. I won't be on YouTube with it or anything. But somebody probably will see me in Walmart or something with that fit on. Because I got the plaid shirt, but it's a long sleeve, so it will be to the fall. But whenever it does become fall or something, I'm going to rock that. I think that is dope. Nicely put together. So, that is my thoughts, man, on this shoe. And this shoe, man, pick your poison. You can be the man in these, or you can be an internet meme. Be careful. Be careful, because these can be the dopest shoes on the street, or these can be the tackiest. You're gonna get a screenshot. You're gonna get somebody gonna take your picture and laugh at you online, or somebody gonna give you props to say, I see you, player. I see you. So be careful. Be careful. Better be careful what you do to me, cause I might you. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated, man. I'll let you boy. Peace out.